Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Abby Bliss Voigt and today I was going to do a little eyeliner extravaganza and share my favorite Chanel eyeliners with you. So I have quite a collection of eyeliners from Chanel because these guys are like my absolute favorite go-to eyeliner. I like the STYLO YEUX waterproof eyeliner. I think they are fantastic for more mature eyes. They don't bleed, they stay on your eyes, and they have a wide assortment of beautiful colors. So today I thought I would show you my Chanel eyeliner collection and kind of share which ones that I use the most, as well as a few new ones that have just launched that are gorgeous. So I just wanted to also say thank you guys. I already was an eyeliner wearer, but you guys have got me wearing a little bit of eyeliner underneath my eyes. As well as doing many other things that I didn't do before YouTube. So I just wanted to just take a moment and say thank you. I am learning so much from you guys and I really love the give and take with my channel. I love hearing from you guys and thank you for all your recommendations. It's just been super helpful and fun. Okay, if you want to see me applying eyeliner and sharing swatches of my favorite, let's go ahead and get started. Let's have a little fun with eyeliner. First, what I thought I would do is walk you through my favorite eyeliners from Chanel, give you a swatch, and then we'll put some on my eyeballs. So I'm going to show you. These are all of the eyeliners that I have. This last one is a Tom Ford eyeliner. Thus the reason I did not purchase the new Intense Teal from Chanel, but I do have to tell you, it is gorgeous. I swatched it in store. So I'm gonna start from over here. You guys, this is Espresso. It is just your classic dark brown. Then we have CASSIS. This is probably one of my most worn eyeliners. Then now my new favorite is Purple CHOC. And you guys, this one is so pretty. I'm gonna show you on my eyes. Then we have NOIR EGNIMATIQUE, and this is one of my new favorites. You guys, the undertone in this almost looks like it's a charcoal, but it has a little bit of blue and green in it. It is gorgeous on the eyes. We will put that on as well. Then we have a kohl liner from Chanel, which is in Marine. This again, you guys, is one of my favorites. This is a repeat purchase in Marine. Then we have the beautiful Jungle Green. And then again, you guys, this one is from Tom Ford in Tourmaline. I do not believe you might be able to find this some places, but it may be at your local Nordstrom, but Chanel has come out with an intense teal that is very similar and it is gorgeous. So let's put some of this on my eyeballs. And the ones I want to use today, I think we'll do a little bit of a crazy look so you can kind of see a few of the different ones. So you're a little bit up close and personal. I hope I don't scare you too much. I have put on my complexion and desperately need some eyeballs. On my eyes, I just did a real simple neutral look so that it wouldn't compete with the eyeliner. So I thought we would start with the Jungle Green. I am gonna come up here and we are gonna line the Jungle Green up a little thin line up at the top here and also in the waterline. So part of the reason I love these STYLO YEUX, I think they're worth every single penny. Number one, they last forever and they also stay in place. So these are fantastic for more mature eyes. So I am just going to go ahead here and then I'm going to tight line just a little bit up. I'm not real great at that, you guys. I usually, when I'm holding a mirror, so I'm just gonna come look up. And then I am going to smudge this out with a soft pencil. Okay, you guys, here is jungle green on the top of my lid, and it is a really pretty color. I was worried that sometimes green with sort of hazel green eyes kind of look dull if it isn't the right green, but I think the depth of this jungle green is really pretty. So that is jungle green. And now I'm gonna put on NOIR Enigmatic. I'm not quite saying that right, but you guys, I have fallen in love with this sort of charcoal that almost has a touch of blue-green in it itself. So I'm gonna put that on the top of this lid. We're gonna have kind of crazy eyes today, but I just wanted to show you this one. So again, just kind of coming over here. And I personally like eyeliner. I feel like it really opens up my eyes. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna see if you can see a little bit of the difference. I just fell in love with this. I kind of bought it as a charcoal, but it definitely has sort of a teal green underbase to it, and it is so pretty. It's been what I have been wearing lately. I'm gonna softly smudge that out just with a little brush here. Okay, you guys, this one is the NOIR Enigmatic, and then this is the jungle green. So if you can see, this one is just a little bit deeper color. I still think jungle green is really pretty, but I am in love with this one. I have been wearing that a lot. I feel like it makes your eyes pop. It is kind of a little bit similar to my favorite marine. Now, this one is a kohl liner, which just does not really smudge on me. I really enjoy this one, but if I was going to pick between the two, they have marine in the STYLO YEUX. I'm gonna go for the waterproof. Just at a certain age, that little extra skin around your eyes just can smudge the eyeliner by the end of the day. I have not found that's the case with this little kohl, so if you like their kohl pencils better, by all means get that. But eventually when this is all done, it'll be a while, I will pick this marine up in the STYLO YEUX. Okay, I'm gonna line the underneath of my eyes with my next favorite pencil. So you guys, for a long time, I have been a fan of the CASSIS, and that has a nice deep purple undertone. I have used it in a couple different videos, so I will put that down in the description box so you can see what it looks like. So again, so I'm going to use my new favorite, you guys. This one is called Purple Chalk. So pretty, and I'm going to be lining it under both of my eyes here just to show you this pretty color. I'm actually gonna go in the waterline so you can see it a little bit more. I don't tend to do that underneath my eyes, but I will today. Now I'm gonna quickly put on some mascara because obviously that is going to transform the way that my face looks. I'll be right back, and then I'll take a picture of each side of these eyeliners. Okay, you guys, I have got my mascara on, a lot of eyeliner, and I just wanted to give you a close-up. This side over here is jungle green as well as purple chalk. This side is the NOIR Enigmatic with the purple chalk. So as you can see, you guys, they both, I don't think it's gonna look too crazy today, but I'm gonna give you a little close-up of each one. I'm in love with the purple chalk, you guys. That is like my favorite purple silver. I just think it is a gorgeous eyeliner. So if you are thinking about buying one and you want something that's a little bit outside the box, I would definitely pick up purple chalk. I think it would look gorgeous on all eyes. Greens, blues, browns, gray. Like, I think it would look gorgeous on all eye types. So definitely that would probably be my favorite one. Then I would probably say Espresso is just a classic brown that you probably would need in your repertoire if you are needing a brown that's just a really good one. And then Cassis is another one that I love. That's one that I wear probably the most, and that's got a deep kind of eggplant color undertone, purple, eggplant. And then now I'm going to be playing around with the jungle green. Out of all of these, that's the one that was probably a little bit outside the box for me, but I have to say I'm glad that I picked it up. I think it's kind of a fun color. So I'm gonna come over. This is jungle green with purple chalk. This one is Noir Enigmatic with purple chalk. These are my favorite STYLO YEUX eyeliners. I don't think you can go wrong with them. I wanted to show you one more kind of cool thing is that you guys, these last a really long time, but a lot of times people don't realize that you can take off the bottom of this and it is a little sharpener, okay? So these just twist up, which I appreciate. No extra little sharpener needed. And then you can just take this little piece and then give it a little refinement to make it as fine as you would like it or as thick as you would like it. I think for a long time, you guys, I did not realize that there was that. So wanted to share that if you were like me. But you guys, these are just fantastic. I think they're great for mature eyes and I couldn't be happier with them. I tend to these are just my go-to eyeliners. You guys, I wanted to give you a really good close-up going from the top of my hand. This is Espresso, Cassis, Purple Chalk, Noir Enigmatic, Marine, that's the kohl liner, Jungle Green, and then the Tom Ford in Tourmaline. Okay, you guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. I will be back with another fun video soon, and I'll talk to you in a little bit.